guys, it's Marissa again, and yes, we are still on our Christmas card creation or making this month. And you have seen my Christmas cards that I created using the card kit. Yes, I still have 2 sticker sheets, and what I'm planning to do is create them and make them into 5x7s. I'm still going to basically follow these designs because of the stickers. But at the same time, I am going to be using the papers that are on this kit, the Gnome for the Holidays Christmas kit. Before I forget, guys, let me show you the papers that are included in this collection. So this is the sticker sheet at the back that you're seeing right now. So we're back. We were able to cut all these cards, and I've been able to prep all of the elements that need to go in each card. For the first card, which is the holiday cheer, this holiday cheer was a part of the pattern paper, and obviously we don't have that with this kit. So I'm bringing out the Cardabella Christmas Memories stamp set, and I'm going to use Celebrate the Season here. And these are the cards that I've cut. I prepped 2 of each of the 8 cards here. I'm putting the rest on there. We're going to take Celebrate the Season stamp. So let's put this card together. Because it's a card, I like using wet glue because it gives me time to position the card. 1/2 inch on the top and 1/2 inch approximately on the right. Let's pull our stickers, and we are going to use a holly and berry up here. Try to make them as identical as possible. So this card is basically this card, only bigger. And the first one is done. Let's go with our second one right now. So for the circle dies, I used my Hero Arts Infinity dies, and I cut the papers to 3.5 by 3.5, and I just took the one circle that best matched them when I cut it. Centering this circle right now. This is the card we're creating now, guys. There you go, guys. Next one we're going to create is this one over here. Guys, as you notice, some of them are done with cardstocks, and some of them are with the pattern papers, and I just pulled some of my cardstocks to use them for this card. Like for this white one, I used the white cardstock. This one, I'm laying it on top of the green scallop sticker. Gotta be careful pulling this out, guys. I'll put him in the middle. We'll put Joy, the Joy tag down here, so it'll be seen right off the bat, or right here, right next to him. That came out cute. Guys, isn't this the easiest projects? This next one, I'm going to put this on the side because this is going to be a little intricate. I'm gonna go next to this card over here. I'm still going to put the stickers on the side, but let me show you a trick. So let me show you a trick on how I'm going to extend. Because guys, these stickers here are only for A2 cards. So what I'm going to do is going to cut them in the middle. I think you know where I'm going now. Okay, so I'm going to stick this one at the bottom, and then obviously there won't be a sticker all the way through, but it's not gonna show. So let's do this for this side. The next thing we're going to do is get this sticker here. Nothing's changed pretty much. We're just making this bigger. The gap is gonna get covered by this sticker. We're going to add on this round die cut that we did from the pattern paper. Let's put it right here. And see guys, you don't hardly even see that there was a cut in between. And then now we're going to put our Santa Claus climbing into the chimney. And I'm going to put him down here. See, that was easy, huh? Very easy. I later added the ho 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 black sticker here, and here's the finished card. So the next card we're going to create is this ho 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 card. Okay, now we're gonna put down our stickers. I'm going to start with the green one in the middle because I want to center it, and then that way I can basically know or see where I am going to put the other hose, if you will. So here's this one. Again, I didn't put any strings, guys, to my cards because I don't like the lumpy bumpy, because if I mail this out, I don't want that bumpiness in the mail. So there you go. This is the card we created. Again, remember, these are A2 cards, so I'm making them into 5x7s. Okay, guys, for this card, we are going to recreate this card over here. Okay, time for our sticker. Okay, I'm going to use this sticker over here. But before I put this down, I want to see where my holly jolly will end up. So, I want my holly jolly to go down here, and I want to extend it over till that side. For my Gnome, and I want my Gnome to be in the center of this circle. There you go. Oh my gosh, guys, they're so cute. So this is what we created. Similar. The kit didn't have the ornaments paper, so I used the Christmas lights. Okay, let's work on this one. There is no Christmas or Christmas trees on the kit, so I used the ho ho ho, which is at the back of this pattern paper. For this one, I want to put this a little off-centered. I'm just looking at this right now. It's a little off-centered right there because there's another sticker that goes here. So I'm just centering it. I kind of eyeballed it from up and down here. And then the sticker that goes next to it is this one over here, sending Christmas cheer. And I'm going to put that over here, and then we'll put this over on this side. I want to make sure that the banner sticker sticks out there because this part here is going to get covered anyway. And then we're going to find the December 25th tab, and I'm going to put it down here in the center, right there. And then we're gonna get Mr. and Mrs. Gnome Santa Claus. And we'll put them over here. So there it is. So similar. There you go, guys. We created 7 times 2, 14 cards. So we're now going to the more intricate card here. For this card, there is a sticker for the snowbank, but because we are creating it be bigger, and by the way guys, I created the trees from scraps. This is about 3 inches by 1.5, and then I just did the triangle here. This over here is 1 3/4 at the bottom by 3.5. Then this other one here is 2 by 3.5. And then I just took some branches and I cut this about a little over 1/4 of an inch, and then I just cut them up. So I'm looking at this. This is the Abbey Road 2B, and I wanted to create a bank, and so what I'm planning to do is create it this way and then just draw our pencil mark there. And I'll do the same thing for this, and then I'm gonna cut them out. I'm just gonna cut this out by hand real quick. Okay guys, so I'm going to fly by the seat of my pants here. What I need is a bank, and I'm just gonna have to draw some banking here. I'm just gonna use my brush here from Ranger, and I'm gonna reach out for my weathered wood here. It's kind of gray. I'm gonna put it over and ink some on top of my acrylic here. I know. Like I said, I'm flying off the seat of my pants here and see what's gonna happen, all right? And then what I'm gonna do is squirt it with water. Let's see what happens. And I'm just playing with this in my head and see how it works. So what I plan to do is just create some banking over there, you know, just lightly have some banking over here. I mean, it doesn't have to be perfect, guys. I'm just something to go here. So you see that it's very light. Okay, so I still have that celebrate the season here, right? What I'm going to do now, stamp celebrate the season right here on the corner, right there. Let's start creating this card. I'm gonna go ahead and adhere this down now. And then we get our trees. I'm gonna put this tree over here. And then at this point, we're going to get our sticker for our snow Gnome, and then put him down here. Ah, that is so cute! This is this, basically. Oh my gosh, I'm so happy about this one, how it turned out. You guys, I have 32 cards from this card kit, copying this card kit. I hope you enjoyed and learned something from creating. If you do get a card kit and you want to create more cards, if you fall in love with the design like I did, all I did was purchase the card kit, the Home for the Holidays kit, 3 additional card kit sticker sheets, and that's pretty much it. And then I took out some of my card stocks, and I bought a value pack 5x7 card front or card base. And here's what we got. We got 32 cards that are ready to go to my friends and family. And here are the rest of the cards. So guys, I hope you enjoyed watching me create this. This is a series creating my Gnome Christmas cards. I hope you enjoyed them. I have a few more cards that are coming up, because I do have a lot of friends and family that I'd like to give Christmas cards to. I appreciate you guys watching. I hope you learned something new. If you like what you saw and would like to see more, please let me know. Guys, remember our Gnome Santa with the wreath around him? There were 4 that were left over, and here they are. And I used some scrap paper from the card kit. And now the total cards that I made from this whole kits are 36. That's it for now, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you guys later. Bye.